This lesson is about grading skin tones. It's the third in the series of video scopes, and what we'll do is we'll crop into the skin alone, and then I'll show you a workflow on how to correct with the scopes. We're going to use this image, which has a yellow cast on the skin tones. So let's see what we can do about changing that. If we look at our vectorscope, you can see that they're a little bit below the skin tone line, so they should really be on that line. But first of all, what we'll do is we will check the actual skin itself, and to do that we come to the cropping tool, and with the cropping tool we will just crop the skin tones. So crop and crop down and up. Now we just have skin tones. Let's bring our scopes back again, and with the waveforms we are now looking at just the skin tones in the waveforms. Now there are some numbers here that I'll put up on the screen for you, but these are the numbers related to skin tones. Skin tones for white females should be between 50 and 70%. Skin tones for white males should be from 45 to 65%. Skin tones for Asians are 35 to 50%. And skin tones for African black nations are 20 to 40%. So those levels will give you an accurate skin tone if you are only looking at skin tones. So in this case, because we're looking at this as a white male or female, we need to have it somewhere around about 60%. And you can see that it's up here just over 75%, so it's too bright. We can come to the color correction, and going to our exposure, we can take down the total, that's all the tones in the global, to around 60%. So now let's look at where this rests on the vectorscope, because we know that we have in the vectorscope a skin tone line, and we can see that this is a little bit below where it should be on the vector line. It should be directly on that line. Asian skin is just below the line. This, because it's white, should be right on the line. If we come to our color now, we can move the color down and remove some yellow by moving it down, and you'll see now that it's directly on the line. If we now come to our clip in the inspector and remove the cropping, there is color and skin tone adjusted.